Welcome, my name is Will Perry from Changing Post, and I'm here to help you solve one of the fundamental problems in business, and that is how to get everything done that you need to get done while being able to take time to step back, to reflect and to learn. Because the rate of change in business these days is so fast that you simply can't afford to stand still. And because the rate of change is so fast, faster than ever before, the previous ways of doing things and taking time out to learn, to reflect, are becoming ever more difficult, almost out of date. Now, action learning can truly make a difference to this fundamental problem, and we specialise in it. It makes better use of your leaders' and managers' experience and expertise, and who doesn't want that? Anyone connected with development will acknowledge the power of coaching for developing their managers and leaders in terms of helping them solve problems, learning for the challenges ahead, and that manager as coach is an excellent approach for leading teams. Yet coaching by its nature is an unconscious process. When you're the coach, being coached, you're not aware of the power and the structure of the questions that you're being asked, because you're the one that's working with those powerful questions. So coaching doesn't improve your ability to coach. And while coaching courses provide you with a structure and awareness of that structure and practice in a safe environment, as a coach one-on-one, you're working in isolation. You only get reflective feedback in coaching sessions with your coaching support based on your recollection of that coaching session. Now with action learning, you get the best of everything, and that's why I'm so passionate about it, and that's why we do nothing else. Firstly, you get the benefit of being coached, but not by one person. You get coached by a small trusted group of people that have different experience and different expertise from you. Second, when you're working in the group as a coach, helping the client to solve their problem, you get the benefit of live feedback from the client themselves, but also from the rest of the group who get to observe you. Thirdly, in every session there's a facilitator. So not only do they ensure that the whole process works for the whole group, they're also there to be able to provide you with specific feedback on your contribution. So that's a bit like the support coach in coaching, except they get to see you in action rather than working on a reflective way. Fourth, every session ends in an evaluation, firstly with the client, then the group as a whole, and then the facilitator. So it's a really conscious learning process. So you get the power of coaching with added learning. And fifth, in action learning, you're building a strong network of like-minded, trusted people where you're working in a non-competitive environment. And really, where else do you get that these days? It's so much more powerful than networking because you're working on a deeper level, and it's so much more alive than training. I was head of action learning at the BBC, where we did action learning on a massive scale on the leadership programme. We had 500 leaders and managers at any one time engaged in action learning. And being the BBC, we had to ensure that we spent the taxpayers' money wisely. So we commissioned the ROI Institute to evaluate the whole programme. And action learning was recognised as making a significant contribution to the BBC achieving a coaching culture, which is the whole aim of the programme. So it really is powerful stuff, yet it is so simple. Imagine the power of knowing the key issues being tackled in all the action learning sets across your organisation. If you could react to that organisational feedback, that's the power of organisational change happening easily. And that's the power that action learning can bring to you as an individual, to your organisation, or to your business. Wherever you introduce action learning, it can make a huge and significant difference.